For question 11, we have compound interest problem again. So for compound interest problem, first we need to memorize the formula, okay? So for compound interest, okay, compound interest. What is the formula? We have the formula, it's called A equal P times 1 bracket R percent divided by K whole bracket KT to the power. Okay, so first, what is mean by A? A, that's mean the amounts. That's mean the total amount for the principal and the interest, including principal and interest. Okay, so P is stand for principal. What is mean by principal? Principal, that means the original money. Okay, the original money. And then after that, we have our percent, of course, that's mean the interest rate. Okay, I think our percent is quite obvious. And the problem is, what's mean by K, miss? K, that's mean the numbers of times we compound for 1 year. Numbers of times compound in 1 year. Okay, and how about KT, the power? So K is numbers of time in 1 year. So T is numbers of years. That's mean the time, right? T stands for numbers of years. That means actually the whole index, the whole power is the total numbers of times we compound. Total numbers of times compounded. Oh, yes, we should have ED. Okay. So according to this formula, so how can we find out the amounts in this equation? So let's do some plug in here. So first, A is equal to P times some bracket and then to the power, right? So P, that means the original money principal. Original money is this one, 88000. Original money, 88000 times bracket 1 plus, right? Our percent, the interest rate, 6%. Okay, so 6% divided by K. So what is mean by K? How many times in 1 year? So the question say that compound monthly. That means 1 month, 1 time. So in 1 year, we have 12 months, right? 1 year, 12 months, that means 12 times. So that means here I should write down 12. Okay, so after that, close the bracket and write down the index, right? So 1 year, 12 times. How about 4 years? Altogether, we got 12 times 4. So we have the total numbers of times for compound. So 1 year for 12 times. So 4 years altogether, 12 times 4, the total numbers of times. And what is this calculating? This is calculating for a month. And check, what is the questions? The question is asking for interest only, not asking for amount, right? Amount, that means the money for principal and also the interest. So I here, that means the interest. Now, I just want to have the interest, means I just want to have the I. How can I find out the I here? You can change subject, right? Plus P become minus P. So I actually is A minus P. After we got the amount, we minus the principal, minus the original amount, then we can have the interest. So that means this one is the amount. After I got this number, I minus the original principal, original money, which is 8800. Then we can use this formula to get the answer now. So let's do it together. 8800, okay, times bracket 1 plus 6%. What is percent? Do you see that? It's on top of the bracket here. So shift open bracket, you can see percent. And then over 12, close bracket to the power 12 times 4. And remember to close the bracket first for the power. After that, we minus 88000 again. Oh, sorry, one more. Okay, so after using a calculator, I got the answer is 23803. That means C. Okay, so the question 11 will have the answer is C. But make sure you need to remember the formula for compound interest. And I think this is worth to remember the formula because we always have one question for compound interest every year actually.